Roketsan recently integrated its TRG-230 Surface-to-Surface Missile with a laser seeker head and conducted a successful test. The target was indicated by the Bayraktar TB2 UAV. Turkey has put into use TRG-230 missiles with a range of 70 kilometers. It is guided using GPS, INS navigation system and can be launched from Roketsan's Tiger multi-barrel rocket launchers. The accuracy of these missiles is 10 meters. The high-explosive warhead with a mass of 50 kilograms can be detonated at a given height or after hitting the target. The weapon can hit moving targets from the ground, increasing its precision via marked by UAVs and combat drones.